In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable your speakers on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and select that. Select system on the left side, and then on the right side, go down and select sound. Scroll down again and select underneath advanced versus all sound devices to see all devices connected to your Acer device. And then select the output speaker and then select don't allow if you want to turn it off or allow if you want to enable it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.